Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Achi Eastern Nagaland laga perspective te election result to honai dibo.
Even if entire NPO to vote even one vote, 100% our Dr. Chumben ETA consensus candidate will win with a thumping victory. Even if entire NPO to vote even one vote, 100% our Dr. Chumben ETA consensus candidate will win with a thumping victory.
Yete tikho para nishina S Supong Maran Chamir pra clear victory paise aro taido INC la candidate thakise. Tai laga opponent to BJP la alliance NDPP NPF aro BJP mela laga NDPP consensus candidate thakise. Naam to Dr. Chumben Murray thakise. PTA to Nagaland de ruling government ase aro center de bi tahla alliance BJP pra rule kurina ase. Holi bi public la mandate to clearly dikhi pai ase. Representative laga against the public khila nishina ina khila do 50,383 vote pra Congress pa chitishe. Itu to pishi asurik kotha kile mane Nagaland de Congress laga MLA ekta bi nai aro tahenge alliance bi nai. Nagaland de 12,97,573 voters ase. 12,97,573 total voters. Tate 6,46,424 female voters ase. 6,43,322 male voters ase. Aro amikhan tikho pari ase maikila voters pishi ase motahan pra pishi. Service voters te 7,827 ase. Service voters mane outside of Nagaland alag kam sipahi noilaba alag kam de kuri thaga itukan ke kwa laga ase. Tate bi mota pishi ase. Mota khan ke saishe gule 7,719 outside the kam gurahan ase aro female maiki hando 108 ase out of Nagaland kam de thakya khan yate Nagaland de vote kro na para khan pahar ba vote kura khan. Considering the fact that there's no opposition's MLA in Nagaland, ENPO area comprising of Longleang, Tunsang, Kefri, Samator, Noklak, Mon, Lok Sabha election 2024 abstain kura na gule PDA candidate pra clear victory pawa thaka ase. Kile mane ENPO area de about 4 lakhs voters ase to tate hoi Congress laga voters pi thakibo hole bi pishi bakto ami laga hisab te PTA khan pawo thaka ase kile mane MLA laga kotha huna bra to hole bi akete starting video de tikha nishina tai khan ekdam confident bra PTA khan ENPO participate nukurle bi chitibo thumping victory bra kwa do hole ekdam wrong prediction aro strategy kalti hua itu tikhola pari ase. To ENPO laga 4 lakhs voters kra turn up nukura karne taikhan inega election result olta hua itu amila hisabte inega tikhi pai ase. Itu eklan hoye voters turnout to 57.72% hi ase matlab to 0.5% vote kuribole ola nai matlab to taikhan government de khushi napa nohile ba government de biswas nukura ide do hope loss hoi ja itu reaction hoi thakibo itu karne government ba aro pishi kam kurubo laga itu public laga mon chitipo laga itu tikhi pai ase. Aro India laga result saise gule 542 seat ase tate exit poll laga itu prediction laga against de itu defy kuri gina ami khan tikho para to BJP led NDA bra 300 seats de leading ase while India bloc bra 227 seats de iterak chiti gina ase. Lastly ami tikhola para ami janola para to Eastern Nagaland laga Longleang, Kefri, Mon, Tunsang, Noklak, Samator itu khan 3ta district vote kurise gule PTA laga chiti bola thakya ase ami enika tikhi ase. Lastly hara chita do dunia la name ase Dr. Chumben Murray ke kobolebi pishi balwa khilishe aro ami laga aspiration manu ke serve korla karne itu to naharai kena enegai thakibi koi kena janai dia ase aro aji chitiola para Sir S Supong Maran Chamir tai ke bi congratulate kuri ase INC kan ke bi congratulate kuri ase aro manu laga naga manula aspiration hisab te kam kuribo kona biswas ase ami khan sob phal leader ekta dia karne ishor thanks dibo aro election bhal ba khatam hua nimi debi thanks dibo aro everybody thank you so much for watching till the end and thank you so much and please do like share and subscribe.